Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We do estate planning and probate. Today's topic is that I wanted to talk to you about is about pertaining to special needs trusts. And before we jump into this topic, if you have any comments, questions, want to set up a strategy session regarding estate planning, please reach out to me at njestateattorney.com. So let's dive right into this. So trusts. There's a lot more than just a trust. A trust is basically a vehicle that's been created by and has three people in it. There's the grantor, or the person who creates the trust. There's the trustee, who's responsible for the money in the trust. And then there's the beneficiary, the person who gets the money in the trust from the trustee. But there are other trusts that we can go into outside of the revocable and irrevocable trusts, and these are known as special needs trusts. So what is a special needs trust? A special needs trust basically allows an individual who's receiving some sort of government benefit to maintain that benefit. So there are three different special needs trusts. Today's video is only going to focus on first-party special needs trusts. So a first-party special needs trust is a trust that takes money that the beneficiary has and that holds the money that a beneficiary has. Normally this money is from an inheritance or a settlement or an accident settlement. So this person doesn't exceed the limit that SSI or supplemental security income has deemed to be the absolute maximum that a person can hold in their name. So what does this mean? SSI basically says you can only have $2,000 in your name. So what we're doing is we're taking this money that belongs to the beneficiary and placing it into a trust, and basically saying, look, this money's technically not in your name, so you can spend it on how you need it, and the government's fine with this. Basically what the government then says is, look, we'll pay for your medical, we'll give you the SSI, whatever, so you maintain to stay qualified for all the government aid. However, upon the passing of the beneficiary, the government basically takes any assets remaining in the trust as repayment for all of the benefits that they've paid out over the course of the lifetime of the beneficiary. So basically what we're doing is we're creating this first person trust, which is basically the beneficiary's money. They're granting it. They've received this money. They can lose eligibility into government programs. So they basically take this money, put it in the trust, give it to the trustee. Trustee will operate the money, and the beneficiary can go to the trustee, depending on the terms of the trust, and say, hey, I need money, and they will receive it, and this will not hurt their eligibility into the trust. So these trusts would normally be recommended for someone who receives SSI and then comes into a large inheritance or into a large accident settlement agreement, just so that this person doesn't lose eligibility. So first person special needs trust, we're taking it, it's the individual setting up the trust, giving it to a trustee. Trustee is now responsible to generate income off of it and provide to the beneficiary when the beneficiary requests money. This won't hurt their standing with the government programs like SSI, Medicare, Medicaid, and then at the passing of the beneficiary, any remaining assets in the trust will be transferred over to the government as payment for all of the medical care or benefits that the person received throughout their lifetime. So that's it about first person special needs trusts. As always, if you found this video informative, please hit like, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube, give us a big thumbs up. If you know somebody who's going through something like maybe thinking about a special needs trust, please share this video with them. Tell them you were thinking about them. As always, also, before going into any of this, before following any of my advice, please sit down with your estate planning attorney and discuss what is in your best interest with that attorney. If you'd like to set up a free 45-minute strategy session regarding estate planning, regarding probate, if you have any questions pertaining to this topic or any other topic in estate planning, please contact me at njestateattorney.com. As always, I'm David Campanile of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.